So this is where I used to do all the FBA shipments out of, doing the bulk. So what would happen was I'd come home, I had a little hand truck. I placed all the boxes like pretty much right over here in this area. And then one by one, I basically put them on this chair and start sorting them onto this table. And then after they were all sorted, I'd put the boxes like pretty much right there, like stacked up nice. And then when I was ready to list, I would start listing. I have a scanner here, I have two screens, the Dymo and the Rolos over there. And then there's this table. When I was doing box content, I would stack all the labeled books up here. And when the whole thing was done, then I would start weighing them out and then put them on this scale. So yeah, that's kind of how I operated. It was a big pain in the butt, but it worked. So some other stuff here. So like on these racks here, you'll see down below, there's just boxes and supplies. That's mainly for eBay stuff. And then on these two Metro racks, it's all things that are ready for eBay. They're listed. And when someone orders, I'll just ship them. I had this closet. This pretty much looked like this all the time. So these are like boxes that could be a good fit for potential items down the line. Down there, it's more like bigger items that have to be boxed. This bookshelf over here, it just was kind of stuff for sets or things I have to look up or whatnot. And then this shelf over here, this is all eBay books. So everything listed on eBay. And then down here is my fancy way of sorting merchant fulfilled books that are more long tail. There's really no rhyme or reason to that stack. It just takes up space, and when someone orders something, it's hard to find, but I'm looking forward to having actual shelving in the new warehouse. But yeah, I just kind of want to give you a little look at kind of the space I was working out of. I don't really know the dimensions of this room, but it's not very big. It's probably about half the size of one of my storage units. But yeah, it just goes to show that, you just need a little space to get going. And as you go along, you get more and more organized. I mean, when I first started, I didn't even have those two Metro racks at all. It was just really, boxes would actually just stack up and they'd break and it was a mess. I also didn't like label the eBay boxes at all, but I just kind of wanted to give you a look into how I was working. I also wanted to document this because, I'm moving into a warehouse next week and I'm super excited about that. And that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions about, working out of a smaller space or a smaller office. I'm probably also going to do kind of like a walkthrough of how I process books in a storage unit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions.